My glitter sticker paper came. It's always a good organiser for my stickers. And so I feel like I want to share a couple of tips on welcome back to another studio vlog. In the previous clip you just saw me make some new sticker sheets because I had an order on my Etsy shop which included one of those sticker sheets, so I'm going to pack that order in a bit. But I also wanted to share with you some new things that I've actually just bought on Amazon. So my brown envelopes came, pretty simple, but yeah, I just want to show you. And also my glitter sticker paper came. Not sure if you can see it, but there's like little glittery stars on there. But yeah, it looks really nice. So I cannot wait to put this over the top of some stickers. I actually have a sticker in mind that I want to make with this, a little whales drawing that I did before. I think, because I tried to make that look sparkly on Procreate anyway, so I just think this would look really good over that. And also I just got another delivery from Amazon today because basically I ran out of sticker paper. So for my sticker sheets I use this waterproof matte white paper, so I just got some more of that. And for the next thing, which I'm really excited about, is I just opened it out of this separate box by the way, but I did just get this clear acrylic. You can actually take these bits out, that bit's stuck, but every other one you can actually slide out. But basically I thought I'd put these stickers, my stickers in here, so I thought that would be such a good little organizer because at the moment they're just on the shelves. Like I got, if you can see that little box, I bought that for stickers, but the drawers are like too small. It's not very good. It was actually from Shein in the beauty section. It's got a few little bits and bobs in there, but like, yeah, I just wanted a good organizer for my stickers. But this one seems to fit them in really well, so I might get another one of these. Plus I think it'll be easy to like grab out stickers when people make orders instead of opening up and closing drawers all the time. So, and lastly I got myself some tassels for my bookmarks. So these are pink tassels. Where's my sticker? This is like a blue packaging, so they kind of, at the first when I saw them in the box I was like, oh my god, they've come like a purple colour. Ooh, these are all the tassels. I went for pink because I do enjoy using pink in my drawings and everything. I use a lot. So as you would have seen, I made some new sticker sheets for my shop. So this is what they came out like. So I just called them Flower Garden because there's like a bunch of flowers and butterflies. So yeah, I think they came out really cute. I actually did these ones first. They're not really much difference, but these ones are a lot smaller, if you can tell. So I did just go back into it and I placed them all a bit better. Took a bit more time and stuff, but I definitely wanted them larger because this one just looks a little bit too small, I think. But yeah, I'm really happy with how they come out, so I'm going to put these in my Etsy shop. And I also just wanted to talk a little bit about starting an Etsy shop. And so I feel like I want to share a couple of tips on how just to get started with that, I guess. So I've also got a couple of other video ideas in mind as well. So if you're not subscribed already, definitely make sure you are so that you can keep up with my weekly videos. So first of all, you want to start an Etsy, so you just need to open up and make an account on there. But once you've got your shop set up, the basics, then you want to add all your photos. And before like publishing or sharing your shop, I would recommend putting up to like 5 to 10 listings on the shop, and also include like a little video clip of your products as well, because that can sometimes really help with people deciding whether they want to buy something, especially on Etsy, because there's a lot of competition, a lot of other sellers on there. And when people go to buy on Etsy, like there's always other products from other people popping up as well. So it's always kind of like you've got to like win over that customer so they don't go to another shop and buy from that person. So your photo photography has to be like really, really good. I actually want to go and do all my products again because I feel like I can make them so much better. And yeah, it's really good as well to use all of the photo options that Etsy has. Like I think they have 10 photo slots, so like use all of them. Just take all different angles, your product being used and everything like that. Try and make your photos a bit unique, maybe add props or do like a color theme, stick with a theme just so that they all look nice on the page and everything. But yeah, I feel like Etsy is a really good starting point for when you're building up a business. And I did just share some tips on building up an art business. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here and below the video. Actually, I think it's here. And below the video if you missed it. But I did go over 5 important steps like when you're building up your art business. So definitely recommend checking it out. Yeah, what was I saying? I've gone blank. So Etsy is a good starting point for opening up a shop, but maybe at some point down the line you might want to change and upgrade to like Shopify or something, because or Squarespace or something, because they just have like your personal own storefront. So another tip, when people buy from your shop, always try and include your branding and your name on things. Like on each, like on for example on my sticker sheet here, I've actually got like where you can find me down there and my name. Just so that once they've bought from you, they don't forget your shop. Because a lot of people, when they buy from Etsy sellers, they do tend to forget the seller or who they are. They don't even really go to their actual account. So if you put in something like your thank you card that you put into their packaging, and like just making sure that the person knows like who it is and where like they can follow you for more. I just definitely think you should do that, because otherwise you could be losing out on potential people buying from you again or finding like your other work and stuff. Another thing you want to think about when selling on Etsy is just the shipping. Think about whether you want to track your packages and stuff like that, or if you maybe just start simple, start with like small flat packages like little envelopes, and then as you're getting more confidence you can like add on larger print sizes or boxes and stuff, because that all like requires a lot more thinking about what you need to add on for shipping. But when you do get your own webfront store like Shopify, you can actually integrate it with Etsy. I think there's an easy way to like put all your products onto there, and you can still have Etsy running. Maybe keep your prices just a slightly bit higher on there to cover all the fees, and then if people actually want to go to your website itself and buy from you, they can buy like slightly cheaper items, I guess. Also, you want to think about customizing your Etsy store, so make a really nice banner for the top a little logo picture, and also categorize your like products into their own categories. On the side there's a little categories list, which only a little while ago I actually just did this myself, but you have to have quite a few products maybe to like categorize them. So I've got like prints, stickers, sticker sheets, bookmarks, and they're all down the side so people can just go straight to it. I did have a little short video on my YouTube channel sharing like how I did that if you're like curious, but I'll link it here up above if you want. Yeah, you just want to make sure you like keep with like a theme or like your whole branding. And if you ever have any sales on, always maybe change the banner to like sale on now, or if it's Christmas, change the banner to like a Christmas theme or something, and update it with like the new products. Like you might have pictures of all your products on the banner, so when you have new products coming in and you want to promote them a bit more, maybe change the pictures. I think Canva's a really good way of doing that. Like I actually use that for my banner, and you can get some templates already made where you just drag the picture and it like goes into like the frame or the box, kind of like makes it really easy to like change things. I think that's probably about as many tips as I'm going to share. But yeah, if you have any video ideas for me that you'd like to see, then let me know in the comments, because I'd love to hear what kind of things you want to see from me. But I think I'm going to end my video here, so thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you all in another video very soon. Bye!